Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP NV6000 series, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the printer's language. So you can change the language of embedded web server, but you can change the language of printing the documents of printer's system. For example, if you want to print information about network, you need to click and hold together information button and Wi-Fi button, and in this way you will print the information of the printer. But if you have, for example, Chinese information, you can change it to the English. How to do it? Just open the embedded web server, click settings and click printer language settings. So if you have here system language and AWS language. So AWS language is the language of embedded web server. But if you have only language, is language for the printer's system, and you can change it, for example, to Danish language. Click apply. Wait a while and great, language was successfully changed. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video and bye!